Cyril Tiss.
And Mr. Tiss, you've been a patient here how long? Do you remember when you started coming in?
I think about 12 years.
12 years. And do you remember why you came in to see me? I do, but do you remember?
Because I had a back problem. My back kicked out on me, and I was looking around to try and find somebody to work it. And
right.
You were open, and I came in, and ever since then, I've been better.
And you've been better. And you had great response with care, correct?
Excellent.
And you used to have a problem every year when you put the pump in up at camp, and you were having all kinds of trouble.
All that stuff.
Yeah, and you haven't had any trouble since. Yeah. And you're how old? You were just bragging about how old you are.
78.
You're 78 years old. And what other benefits had you had while you've been under care?
Mobility. I can go around and do anything I want. I can walk, I can run up and down stairs, whatever I want to do. I have no problem.
Yeah, that's great. You, the reason I had asked you to help me out is because I told you a lot of patients that are older are maybe nervous about going to chiropractors. They really don't know much about it or whether or not it can help them or whatever. What would you say to those people?
Oh, I recommend anybody to come in.
Yeah.
And one of my big benefits, I can turn my head like this. I used to have to turn my body to back up the car to look and whatnot. Now I just turn my head to see traffic, the whole thing. It's a big benefit.
And the adjustments are comfortable because some people think maybe at first.
Very much so.
Not uncomfortable at all. And you come in how frequent now? Do you
Once a month.
Once a month, and we do that for wellness, right?
Yes.
So that's like a tune-up or to keep you healthy consistently.
Absolutely.
And that's worked out well because we've been doing that for 10 years.
Started out about like three times a week, and then it went down to 2 times a week, and then once a week, and then bi-monthly, and then once a month.
Yeah,
and that's all I ever come in.
And your wife comes in to see me.
Yes.
Yeah, and she's done very well with care as well. Yes.
Absolutely.
And she comes in monthly as well for wellness
also,
care.
yeah.
And I see your son Greg.
Yes, he comes in.
Yeah, and he comes in with his wife, and that's wonderful too.
Yes.
And it's an absolute honor to have you as a patient. I've told you that before, and a real pleasure.
Yeah.
And I want to thank you for.
Well, I blame you for my health.
Yeah. Well, it's a pleasure to make you so healthy. I got to tell you, I love it. So thanks for giving me a few minutes to help some other people.
You're more than welcome.
Thanks, Mr. Tisch.